Gorgias AI is the automation built into the Gorgias help desk, and it now ships on every plan. Here is what it actually does, what it costs, and where it stops. One disclosure first. This comes from eesel AI, which competes with Gorgias, so every number in this video is from Gorgias' own pages. 3 things up front. AI Agent is included on every plan now, so there is no separate add-on to buy. It used to be sold as Gorgias Automate. Gorgias says it automates 60% of email and chat conversations, and once the interactions bundled with your plan run out, each one after that costs $1.50. Here is the path. First, what it actually does, including the order actions. Then, what it costs, with the plans side by side. Then, where it stops. And last, who it is right for. Start with the thing Gorgias is genuinely good at. Order questions, answered where the order data already sits. First, the help desk underneath. Email, chat, and social messages all land in one feed, so nobody is juggling tabs. Next to the message, you get the customer's order, its status, and its shipping address. Refund and cancel are buttons right there on that panel. That is the foundation the AI is built on. Here is the part that matters. The AI does not only write a reply, it can cancel an order in Shopify. It can edit the shipping address on an order that has not shipped. It can issue a refund or apply a discount code. And for a "where is my order" question, it pulls the real status and sends the tracking link. Most built-in help desk AI stops at the reply. About that 60%, it is worth reading carefully. It is Gorgias' own published number, not an independent test. It covers email and chat conversations. And returns and refunds are inside that count, which is the part most stores would not expect a bot to handle. Treat it as the ceiling for a store whose questions look like theirs. Triage is the second job. Rules move a ticket based on a condition, like sending every Instagram message to the social team. On top of that, the AI reads intent and sentiment. It can tell a sales question from a technical problem and an angry customer from a patient one, so a time-sensitive complaint can jump the queue instead of waiting its turn. There is a sales side too. You can set chat pop-ups to trigger on what a shopper is browsing, so a question gets answered before they abandon the cart. And in the chat, the agent can recommend a pairing with a discount code. That is a support tool doing merchandising, which is fair to count when you weigh the price. Now the bill. This is the part worth working out on paper before you pick a plan. 3 plans billed annually. Basic is $77 a month, Pro is $471, Advanced is $1,227. Tickets included go 300, 2,000, 5,000. AI interactions included go 30, 190, 530. An extra ticket costs 40 cents on basic, 36 on the other 2. There is also a starter plan, monthly only, at $40. Start with the unit on the invoice. Gorgias plans are sold in billable tickets, and a ticket is counted the moment it gets a reply. A reply from a human agent counts, a reply from an automated rule counts, and a reply from the AI counts as well. Volume, not head count, is what moves this bill. Here is the detail that surprises people. When the AI resolves a ticket by itself, 2 counters move. It uses one of your monthly tickets, and it uses one of your bundled AI interactions. Past that bundle, every automated interaction is $1.50, and that rate is the same on every tier. So the more the AI succeeds, the more of both allowances it spends. So do the arithmetic at your own volume. Basic bundles 30 AI interactions a month, which is about 1 a day. Pro bundles 190, so roughly 6 a day. Anything above that is $1.50 each. If you are hoping the AI handles 100 conversations a day, the bundled allowance is not the number that matters. The overage rate is. None of that makes it a weak tool, but there are 2 ceilings you should know before launch. The first ceiling is how it sounds. You pick from 4 tones: friendly, professional, sophisticated, or custom. Custom opens a plain language field, and that field is capped at 1,500 characters. For most brands, that is enough for a voice. It is tight if you also want to encode policy edge cases there, and those belong in guidance instead. The second ceiling is what it can read. In scope, your Help Center articles, your guidance, uploaded documents, your Shopify data, and pages synced from your store site. Gorgias is clear that it can only sync publicly accessible web pages, so a Confluence space behind a login or a private Google Doc has no direct connector. For a lot of stores, the returns policy nobody published lives in exactly those places. Gorgias does give you a way to check a change before it ships. Test conversations. You send AI agent a message, you read the reply it would send, and you can run it against a real customer profile or order history. That is genuinely useful. The limit is that you are testing the scenarios you thought to write, one at a time, rather than your whole queue. So who should buy it? This splits more cleanly than most tools. Gorgias AI is enough if your store runs on Shopify, if most of your tickets are orders, returns, and refunds, and if your answers already live in your help center. It is the strongest built-in option for that store. You will want more if key answers sit behind a login, if you want a dry run across your real queue rather than scenarios, or if your volume makes the overage rate the number that decides your bill. 3 things to take away. Real actions on the order are what make Gorgias AI worth the money, not the writing. 2 counters move on every ticket the AI resolves by itself, so success costs you twice. And it syncs public pages only, so a wiki behind a login stays invisible to it. If those 2 gaps are the ones you are hitting, that is where eesel AI fits. It connects to Gorgias and reads more than 100 sources alongside it, including Confluence and Google Docs behind your login. Simulation replays thousands of your past tickets, so you get a resolution rate from your own queue instead of a scenario. Pricing is pay as you go per ticket the AI handles, with no per seat fee. Connect Gorgias, run the simulation, and read the answers on tickets you have already closed. It is free to start and there is no credit card. The full written breakdown, with every price, is linked in the description.